Firewall. Firewall are security system that protects your computer or your network from intruders, hackers, or from some miscellaneous code. It also protects from some softwares that let in hackers into your computer. So it provides safety and protection. Firewall, it can be a software program or a hardware device that filters the traffic flow into your computer network while your computer is connected to the internet. And also it protects from various softwares so that it doesn't allow any hackers to let in. So here is a diagram. You see a computer and an internet, that and there is a firewall in between, so that only the sites that are allowed or the sites that are trusted will be accessed by your computer. All other websites or all other domains are being rejected or denied using the firewall. Firewall are also set up in every connection of internet. It gives you a real-time protection, and it follows up some rules so that it carefully monitors your data flow towards internet. And you can also set up some few rules to the firewall using a network administrator who has the rights to change few changes for your network. It can be allowing some traffic towards web servers or FTP server, that's a file transfer, telnet service, that is your remote access, and also like a computer or a computer administrator can take a control of the whole traffic towards your system or your network using firewall. Firewall rules. Firewall rules can be customized as per your needs, requirements, and your security threat levels. So you can either create nor disable the firewall filter rules depending upon your wish. Here the first one is the IP addresses. If you have more than 10 computers connected to the network, if you wish to block one particular IP address, and if that IP address is obtained by any computer, will be having a set of different rules, or might be he will not be able to access that computer which gets that IP address. So by this way you can create nor you can disable various rules to within the firewall. And the next one is the domain name. Here in this domain name means website, the name of the website or the web server name. So here also you have an option to block .edu, .mil, or you can also have an option to block a particular website. Protocols. In protocols we can see like IP, SMTP, FTP, UDP, and all these protocols also can be blocked, we can also make them not to use these protocols, because in some organization or if you take in any companies, the SMTP might be blocked. This is responsible. SMTP means simple mail transfer protocol, which is responsible for sending emails. So that can be blocked by the administrator using this firewall settings. And FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. If you don't wish to transfer the file from one computer to another or through email, you can block this FTP protocol service using your firewall. So a kind of create and disabling activities can be done using your firewall. Port. Port is a unique identity that is to make utilize of an application. So which means to access any applications or any device, any networking device, you might be needed a port number, or you have to enable certain ports to make utilize the application or your any device. So here you have an option to block the ports or to enable the port so that there are some possibilities to make the data flow to work towards internet using the firewall so that you can access nor you can deny the service using the port blocking system. Keywords. Keywords is like a pre-information that is given to the computer where, so for example, you have given a pre-information that a user cannot search any information related with the topic. He using this keyword, he will not be able to search the right information he wants. So since the keyword might be blocked and he will not be able to access the particular information that is really needed. So that's why keywords are used. So in order to explain firewall briefly, firewall is a software program or a hardware device that filters the traffic that flows into your computer using your internet connection. And you can also make a set of rules where you can access or you can deny the service using depending upon the user's choice. So the firewall acts as a mediator between the internet or network towards your computer.